Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your VahChef at whatever.com. Today, I am going to show you another very popular dish, paneer with mushroom, what we call paneer dingiri masala. Dear friends, very popular restaurant dish. Let's go ahead and learn how to make this. First, I am going to show you how to process the mushroom. Mushrooms are never washed. They usually, when you bring it from the market, if there is any wood particles or any grass particles or dirt you feel, you just wipe it out. And these mushrooms are grown in a very sterile conditions. Even though they are grown on grass or wood chips, they are usually sterile, and on which they put these mushroom spores on which the mushrooms grow. You know, I was at a mushroom farm and I really enjoyed learning how they, process these mushrooms, how they grow these mushrooms. One of these days, I also want to become a farmer and grow mushrooms. But first, let me show you how we are going to start cooking this. For this, I have got some water boiling, and in this, all I am going to do is add some turmeric. And then, in this, I am just going to drop in the mushrooms and just let it cook for 2 minutes. Okay? This, some of the people do, but in the international cooking, I have never found that we need to do this, to add some salt in this, and these are farm processed. Sometimes when they use the wild mushrooms, and they probably have done this, but if you want, you can just put it in the turmeric water and let it cook, and we are going to add this into a nice gravy. The mushrooms are slightly simmered for 2 minutes, and now I am going to show you how to make the gravy. First, we are going to add some oil in a pan. Okay. In this, I am going to add some ingredients, cook it, and when they are done, I am going to put in a blender and make it a paste. This is going to be a nice silky gravy in which the mushrooms and paneer are going to float in. So, dear friends, let's go ahead and learn how to make this. Now, in this oil, we are going to add some cashew nut and also coriander stems like this, and in this add onions. So, first we are going to let these things cook, after which we are going to add some green chili and tomato. In this add green chili, lot of them to give it little spice, and also tomatoes. Look at this, I have added all the 6 ingredients, and now we are going to slowly cook them. After it is cooked, I am going to put in a blender and make it to a fine paste. Then I will show you how to make the gravy. Now, in this add pinch of salt, and we are going to let this cook till it is nice and soft. This is all cooked. I am going to put in a blender and make it into a fine paste. Now, switch on the flame, and the paste is all ready. Now, in a pan, add butter, and in this, I am going to add ginger garlic paste, and we are going to slowly cook this ginger garlic paste. Now, look at this. This is getting slightly sauteed. Now, in this, add white pepper powder and also turmeric. Now, in this, we are going to add the paste of all this tomato, onion, everything. You can also add some water and then mix in this. Now, we are going to put the lid on top of this, and we are going to let it cook for another 4 minutes. Just cut the paneer into small pieces. Once you see that the gravy is nice and silky, we are going to add paneer. Cut paneer. Once you add the paneer, if you want, you can also add the mushroom and little bit of the water that is there in this to just adjust the consistency. Now, look at this nice silky consistency this gravy is getting to, but this has to cook for some more time. And in this, we are going to add pinch of garam masala, and we will put the lid on and we will cook. Now, look at this nice silky gravy. In this, add slit green chili and also cream to adjust the consistency. Now, we are going to serve this nice silky gravy with mushroom, paneer, and I love mushroom in this kind of silky gravy. It gets nice juicy and also nice flavor from this. Usually, whenever we do tadka or anything, whenever we do lot of dishes where oil floats on top, we remove it out, and because on this to look good, we just add few drops of oil, and this oil is flavorful, and you can make designs the way you want. Dear friends, You know, this is the flavorful oil we add in lot of finishing the dishes. Now, aha, very nice, very silky. Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session of learning this Dingiri Paneer